Welcome to Tech Interview Hub.
Let's start the interview. So could you please check the chat window? I have shared one snippet. So could you please tell me when this function executes, what will be logged to the console and why? So basically we have passed two different arguments in this
Null
function
and
call. Line number 4, we have passed null, and 5, we have passed undefined.
yeah. I think object null means not a value.
Yes.
Then call the demo.
Okay, so in the first case, you're saying it will print object.
Yeah. Okay.
Okay. What about the second?
The second
The
one
first.
undefined.
Yeah.
Undefined. I think. Undefined means variable declared, but not assign the value. Basically, undefined. I think.
Okay. So could you please tell me what is the difference between null and undefined before you solve the line number 5?
Yeah, null means not a value.
Okay.
Undefined variable declaration and not assign the value. But our output is same. I think.
So not a value means the JavaScript treats it as we have passed no value to this function.
Yeah.
Then how come in the first case it will print object?
Null.
Yes, it prints null in the first case
Yeah.
because
Yeah.
null is like we are intentionally passing no value to the function.
Yes.
So JavaScript treats it as a no value. And in case of second undefined and line number 5, if we are passing undefined there, then it will take the default value. So the
Yeah.
default parameter is there equals to object is there. So it will print object in line number 5. And for the first case, it will print null. Please
Yeah.
remember this.
Object it will be.
Okay. Can you write one string?
Yeah.
Can you write a JavaScript code to
Okay.
count how many times a particular character appears in that string? You can take any character. You can take H, E, L. You can take any character. So
Okay. How many?
basically,
How many
how
times?
many? Yeah. How many times a particular character? For example, if you take H, then how many times H appears in that string?
Yeah.
I guess only one. So it should print one.
Yeah. Yeah.
If you pass O, then there will be, I guess, 2 times, 3 times. So it should
Yeah.
print 3 in case of O.
Okay. Okay.
You can use inbuilt method or you can use for loop or whatever you are comfortable with.
Yeah. Okay. Okay. Basically, no idea about this.
Okay. Okay. Let me share the solution with you. Yeah. Okay. So basically at line number 11, we set the count to 0 initially, and then we'll loop through the string and we check each and every character. If we get the similar character, then we will increase the count here, and then we are returning the count. That's how we can solve this question. So can you write one thing there, console.log console.log array of 1, 2
2
double equals to
double equals to
outside
yeah.
array double equals to same array 1, 2. Okay. What will it print?
It print. I think we have to that to array number. It will be convert to JSON stringify. Then only this is the true value.
What double equal to and triple equal to operator does?
Double
Double equal to, correct?
yeah. Check the value double equal to
Okay.
and triple equal to means check the data type.
Okay. Can you write one more line below that? Console.log, same code. Just add triple equals to there. Just add triple equals to in line number 10.
Yeah. Okay. This is, I think, false.
Why? So here what happens, it will give you false. The reason is when you compare the
Yeah.
objects or arrays using double equal to or triple equal to, no, you're comparing the references, not values.
Yeah.
So even though both arrays look same, 1, 2, they are two different objects stored in the different memory locations.
Yeah.
So that's why it will give you false.
Oh, okay. Okay.
And even the same thing is in line number 10. Both will give you false. You can run the code.
Yeah. Yes, bro.
Okay, you got it?
Yeah, got it.
Okay, so third question. Yeah, so we have these two objects, object 1 and object 2. So how would you merge them into a single object, Gajapati? So you have to merge these two objects into a single object. How would you do that?
Using spread operator.
Can you write the code? Yeah, please run it. What is the issue here? Could you please find out?
Object one is not defined. It's not defined.
There is a typo error. There is a typo error. ABJ1, line number 15. Also,
Yeah.
there is one more issue. He asked you to merge the two objects into a single object. Why you have added array there? It should be object, no?
Yeah.
Okay, the typo error is there. ABJ1, line number 15. It should be object 1.
Yeah.
Can you merge these two objects using object.assign method?
Object dot assign method.
Yeah.
Sorry, sir. Sorry, bro.
Okay, no problem. It's a very simple thing. Just write there console.log
Console.log.
object.assign. Okay, inside that empty object, comma, outside object now. Object 1, comma, object 2. Okay. Now run it.
Object spellings. Yeah.
Okay, it will give you the same.
Okay. Object dot assign. That also same answer. Object.
Yes.
Okay. Okay.
So, are you aware about shallow copy and deep copy?
Yeah. I theoretically I know what is shallow copy and deep copy.
Okay, could you please explain?
Shallow copy and deep copy means shallow copy changes in the object. It can be affected in the original. Deep copy would not affect in the original.
How would you create deep copy then?
Yeah, but I can't work the deep copy and shallow copy. But I know that the theoretical one.
Mhm. Okay. What is hoisting, Gajapati?
Hoisting. Variable and function declaration moved from the top
Okay.
of the scope at the runtime.
Okay. I have shared one snippet. Could you please copy it
Yeah.
and paste it there? It's regarding hoisting. So when we call this test function, what will be logged to the console?
Okay.
Please comment out the previous code.
Where also function.
You got this question?
I got the question, but this function.
Yeah, we have declared the function at line number 28, and we have
Yeah.
declared the variables ABC
Okay.
with values 10, 20, 30.
In undefined.
Why would it give undefined in first case?
Why? Because where is here also hosted, but
Mm-hmm.
first where is here also hosted, but it's give the undefined value first initially call the variable, but initially give the undefined value.
We have the same function there, no? Line number 28, we have a function declaration.
Yeah. Okay. The value 10, I think.
Then what should be the value?
The value.
10. No, actually the first console.log prints the function, not undefined and not 10. It is because in JavaScript function declaration are hoisted before var declaration. So this line number 28 gets hoisted before var a.
Okay.
And that's why we get function there instead of undefined or 10.
Oh, this
Now,
is a function.
yeah, there we get the function. Now I want to ask you one more thing.
Okay.
Can you copy the line number 20 and paste it below 28? Yeah. Now what will it print?
Inside the function? Or?
No, outside the function. Outside the function.
Okay. I think 10.
Why 10?
This is the first line of var 10.
Mm-hmm.
After this calling console dot console dot a.
But we have function declaration there as well, no? Any idea?
Sorry, sir. Yeah, I'm not sure about this.
Actually, it prints 10. The reason
10.
is at start, yeah, 10. It prints 10 only. At the
Yeah.
start, a refers to the function. So initially, this a refers to the function because function declarations are hoisted before the var declarations.
Okay.
But later in the code, we assign a equal to 10, correct? Using var a
Okay.
equals to 10. And that assignments overrides the function value. And so
Okay.
that's why when do we, that's why when we log the console.log a at the end, it holds value 10. Okay, got it?
Got it.
Would you please open a React compiler? I have shared you one file. So your task is
Okay.
you have to fetch the
It's the
users from the API, line number 1 if you see. Then you have to display the user list, like the screenshot you can see there, no? And you have to add a delete button in front of each username.
Yeah.
And when you click on delete, then that particular user should get deleted from the list. This is what the functionality I want.
Okay.
Will you please write a code for this?
Okay. Yeah. Now I can create the state for store the data from the API.
Okay.
Now I can handle the API using the use effect.
Okay.
Now we can fetch the API using fetch. First store the JSON using the JSON dot.
So here what you're doing?
Now, first of all, fetch the data from the API, then store the JSON, then
Okay.
the function uh, store the data using the state data.
Okay.
We have the data from this data from the API.
Okay. So you're storing the data from API to the data variable there,
Yeah.
the data state that you have created. Okay.
Now I can map this data.
Okay. Don't worry about the CSS part.
Yeah. Okay.
You have to create a list, no?
Okay. You have to show the name.
Yeah. Yeah. Name or username, anything is fine.
Good. Yeah. I got it.
Now you have to add Yeah. Now you have to add delete button
Yeah.
in front of each user. And when you delete and when you click on the delete button, it should remove the particular user from the list.
Now I can on click method for deleting the element, deleting the
Okay.
list.
User. How will you delete it? Basically, on click on delete, you have to update your state. And how you have to update your state? You have to remove the particular user from the users list.
Uh,
Here, you have stored your users in the data. So you have to remove that particular user from the data.
Data.
How will it work?
And,
You just can't simply write there, no? Remove dot data.
uh,
First of all, which user you are deleting? You have to pass that user ID, no?
yeah, yes.
But it will
Yeah.
directly execute it. It will directly execute the function before you click on the delete button.
Oh, it's no need to write this
So
code.
you have to pass the arrow function. No, you need to write. You have to
Yeah, yeah,
pass the arrow function in on click. No, not there, not there. Line number 20.
yeah.
We need to wrap it in an arrow function, this on click function. The reason, if we pass directly on click handle delete user.id or whatever you have written there, remove user, it will run immediately while rendering instead of waiting for the button click. So you have to pass an arrow function. So write one arrow function there. Yeah. Yes, this is the correct way. So it tells React call this only when the button is clicked.
Okay.
Now you have to write the functionality in the
Yes.
remove user function. So basically you have to set the state in such a way that the particular user is removed from the list. Okay, so now you have the item.id. So the particular user which you want to remove from the list.
Yeah.
Okay,
Now
you can write their ID.
I can get the parameter
Yeah, you can write their ID.
ID.
Yes. Why id.filter? It should be data.filter. You have to remove that particular ID from data. In your data, we'll be having a list of users.
Yeah.
We have to remove that ID, which means that particular username from the list of data.
Yeah.
And we have to update our state. That's it.
Remove.id.
Why you are going with remove.id? It won't remove. You have to update your state. See, something if you click anywhere in your UI, if you have to add, delete, update, then you need to update your state. In that way only your UI will get re-rendered again. You just can't write there remove.id, even remove what it will remove. Okay, so you have to update the state.
Set it using parameter ID. User.
Okay, I'll give you the code directly. It will be easy for you. Yes. Remove line number 8.
8.
Yeah, remove it and paste it there. So what it does, set user, for you it's set data.
Okay. Okay, okay.
We have to filter the particular user from this data, no?
Yeah.
So the previous nothing but our data, our previous state is there. So
Yeah, yeah.
data dot filter. In a way, we are doing data dot filter and we are removing that ID. Here we have got the ID that we are passing in the onClick function, item.id, which is nothing but our user ID is there. So basically we are telling that function that remove this user ID from the data and update the state. So now if you save it and if you click any delete button, please save it, save the code.
Yes.
Now click on delete button, it will get removed.
It's not happening. Why? Because remove user.
So the issue is in line number 25. It is not clicking the event.
Yeah. On click.
What you have written there?
Yeah, now it's happening. I made the mistake. The
Yeah,
capture.
okay. You have passed key equal to index. Is it a correct approach?
Yeah, no need.
We should pass a unique ID there.
Okay.
It should be item.id,
ID.
not index.id. How come it is index.id? It
Yeah,
should
yeah.
be item.id.
Item.id.
Yeah. So the key value should be unique. So that if you add something, if you delete or if you update now, it will only affect to that particular ID.
Okay, okay, okay.
Won't
Wait. Now,
re-render the entire list again.
okay.
Yeah. Okay, Gajapati. That's it.
Now.
Thank you so much.